Parent swimming induction. Important choices. Choosing a club. First of all, each club has a head coach and various assistant coaches. The coaches have all passed various swim training courses in South Africa, and in certain cases also have international accreditation, which qualify them to coach your child in the correct techniques of the different swimming strokes. If your child cannot swim, it would be required to join the club's Learn to Swim program first. Here they will learn not only how to swim, but all the correct ways to swim all the strokes. Each provincial governing body has a website. If the club list in the province is not on the website, the parent should contact the provincial secretary to obtain the different clubs' contact details. Choosing a coach. To determine which coach is best for your child is a little more complicated. The following information was obtained from the How to Tell You Have a Good Swim Coach by swimming expert Gary Mullen. Qualities found in good coaches. 1. Good. They see the big picture. They know short-term success isn't the goal. They have a thorough outline for the swimmer for their entire career. They slowly add training and create steady, continual improvement. Bad. Opposed to seeing the big picture, some coaches have very young swimmers lifting weights with poor form at the age of 10, resulting in injuries and burnout. If a coach has a getting better, by all means necessary approach, it would be better to look for another coach. 2. Good. A good coach does what is best for each individual. When a coach has a large group of swimmers, doing what is best for each individual is tough. Good swim coaches can manipulate practices and training to each person in their group. They know how to manipulate training to create improvements in swimmers while having fun built in for each swimmer. If you have an elite swimmer in your club, they will need an individualized program. Bad. Coaches can fall prey of what they did as a swimmer, simply passing along old, outdated traditions. Many coaches' programs are built on what they did. Unfortunately, this approach creates many swimmers that become disinterested in the sport. 3. Good. Desire to keep learning. A good coach knows he does not know everything. They are eager to have other experts work with their team and learn from them in the process. This must not be confused with jumping from one idea to the next, as good coaches have a methodical approach. 4. Good. Their programs are written simply, but they are highly effective. The program is simple and not confusing to follow. The goal is getting results. 5. Good. They can communicate difficult subjects. Talking of biomechanics and physiology is very complicated, but a good coach will be able to understand it and be able to simplify it for swimmers of all ages. 6. A good coach will share his knowledge. Teaching others will not only help the good coach to understand his own programs better, but will also prove or refute his approach in training. So before choosing a coach, 1. Base your decision on questions you form from these few points and a few of your own. And 2. Ask to see a training session before you make a decision.